Hi everyone, and welcome back to another video. So if real-time collaboration, sharing and editing notes live isn't working in Goodnotes, it's usually due to sync issues, permissions or connectivity problems. So how to fix it, I will show you step by step because it's easy and fixable. Okay, so first thing first, check internet connection. Okay, so make sure Wi-Fi is stable, avoid switching networks while you are working. So if it doesn't work, you can, for example, turn airplane off and on or on and off, and then try again. Okay, enable iCloud sync. So go to iPad settings, tap Apple ID and tap iCloud, turn on iCloud Drive and ensure Goodnotes is enabled. Okay, because this is required for syncing shared documents. You can also verify sharing permissions. So if you shared the notes, open the document, tap share, check permissions, and then tap edit, can edit. Okay, not just view. Others must have editing access. Okay, you can make sure everyone is logged in. So each user must be logged into their accounts. Same Apple ID not required, but login is. Okay, so guests are offline, users won't sync. Updates Goodnotes on all devices. So open App Store, update Goodnotes. All collaborators should use latest version. Okay, because version mismatch means sync problems. Okay, you can also restart the app or restart the app on all devices, close Goodnotes and reopen it again. This forces sync refresh. So thank you guys for watching this video and see you in the next tutorial.